Okay, now that we've got our ducks cleaned, we've got the breasts in a container of cold water. You'll start to see things float to the top, all the loose feathers and things like that. So you want to scrape all that trash off the top of that water, throw it away, and then take your breast. And if it's got dark spots like that, what you want to do is you take it and you want to kind of press some of that out. And dip it in that water and try to force some of that blood to come out of that bruising. That's going to lead to a more foul taste, a gamier taste. So you want to try to get that out of there, especially if it's around a bullet wound or a shot wound. You'll also, once you start squeezing, you'll see feathers actually come out of those holes, and so none of that's going to be good to bite down on. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but the more you can get out, the easier it's going to make the rest of the process, and the better it's going to taste. Anything that doesn't look like something you want to eat, mash it off, pull it off, do whatever you can to get rid of it. And then we'll empty this water and fill it back up with cold water and maybe a couple of teaspoons or something of salt. Just enough salt to help draw some of that blood out while it sits in the refrigerator for another 24 hours. And when we get done soaking that for 24 hours in salt water, we'll pull it out, rinse them off, freeze them up, and be ready to eat whenever you get ready. This is Caleb with Knock 'em Naked, trying to teach you something. Alright, now that we've rinsed them off a few times, got the water looking nice and clean and clear again, we'll go ahead and take some salt and I'm just going to pour a little bit in my hand. It doesn't take much, maybe a tablespoon, maybe two, depending on how many ducks you got. And that's it. Just sit there and let it soak. Put a lid on it. I'm going to stick it in the refrigerator for about 24 hours and we'll be ready to go.